हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जानेंगे डिप्थीरिया के बारे में। डिप्थीरिया इज़ एन एक्यूट बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज कॉज्ड बाय टॉक्सिजेनिक स्ट्रेन्स ऑफ Corynebacterium diphtheria. Three major clinical types have been described: anterior nasal, facial, and laryngeal. And these that much information is given, and you should make notes. Incubation period is 2 to 6 days. Epidemiological determinants: agent factor, causative agent Corynebacterium diphtheriae, and these four types: gravis, mitis, belfanti, intermedius. And source of infection may be case or carrier. Case ranges from subclinical to clinical cases. Carrier may be temporary and chronic. And infective material will be nasopharyngeal secretion, discharge from skin lesions, contaminated fomite, possible infected dust. Period of infectivity: it may vary from 14 to 28 days from the onset of the disease, but carriers may remain infective for much longer period. Host factor: age for children 1 to 5 years of age. Gender for both gender. Immunity: infants born of immunity mother are relatively immune during first few weeks or months of life. Environmental factor: it is more in all season, but winter months favors its spread. Mode of transmission is droplet infection. It can be transmitted directly to susceptible person from infected cutaneous lesions. Transmitted by objects: cup, thermometer, twice, pencil. Contaminated by nasopharyngeal secretions. Portal of entry is respiratory route and non-respiratory route. In respiratory route, commonly respiratory tract, and non-respiratory tract will be the skins, where cuts, wounds, and ulcers not properly attended to may get infected with diphtheria bacilli. Clinical features will be: respiratory tract forms. All diphtheria consist of pharyngeal, tonsillar, laryngotracheal, nasal, and combination. Here, my main focus will be on the in early stage of pseudomembrane may be extend to become thick blue-white to gray, black, and adherent. Attempt to remove the membrane result in bleeding.